Good morning, my dear students. Now, on the page number 334, question number 29, ask the user to enter temperature in Celsius. So, I am taking n is equal to int input, enter the temperature. Now, here we have to compare few conditions as per the given question. The program should print a message based on the temperature. The first point is given: if the temperature is less than 273.15, print that temperature is invalid because it is below absolute zero. So here you have to compare if n or better variable we can take temp. If temp is less than 200 minus 273.15, so we have to print the message invalid temperature. If here again the second condition, if it is exactly, then print it is absolutely zero. So if temp is equal minus 273.15, then print absolute zero. Then if the third condition, if the temperature is between, if temperature is greater than minus 273.15, greater than or equal to minus 273.15, and temperature is less than equal to, if it is less than 0, if it is only greater than this and temperature is less than 0, then we have to print the condition below freezing. below below freezing. Now if the next situation is given, if it is 0, print temperature is at freezing. If temp is equal 0, print temp temperature is at freezing. And if it is 0 and 100, then temperature is in normal range. So if temperature is more than 0 and temperature is less than 100, then we have to print normal range. Normal range. If it is 100, print it is boiling point. If temperature is equal 100, then print boiling point. Then after, if it is above 100, print temperature is above boiling point. So else we can give and print above boiling point. Now as we will give any value like 100, I am giving boiling point it is. Now if I am giving minus 273, then it is below freezing. If I am giving minus 300, invalid temperature. So this program is working properly. Students, you have to note down this in your copy. Now come to the next question by making this as comment. Now student, in question number 30, it is given that if the number is prime, then you have to print prime, and if the number is not prime, then you have to print the factors of that number. Now question 30. Now I am taking the value first, import math, and then n is equal to int input enter the last range, enter the last range for I in range. For I in range, it will go from 1 to n plus 1 and then create the block. Basically this is the loop to check the prime only. Now here c is equal to 0, print j, sorry, for j in range, and it will go from 1 comma I plus 1. I plus 1 means till that number only, and in this condition if I mod j is equal 0, then c is equal to c plus 1. Now come out of this for loop and compare. If c is equal to, then print I comma equal to comma I comma uh, prime. This word we want as per your given question in your book. Now if it is not prime, then what we should do? We should just find the prime factors of this number. So for finding the prime factor, basically this is the separate program which I have combined here. So this is not the part of this prime factorization. We have checked prime here in this program, and now we are going to find the prime factor of the given number. So the separate, in else part I am writing the separate code for k in range. This will go from 1 to I plus 1, and n, I have taken one variable n1 is equal to this k, this will be copied here, and lst is equal to one list I have considered in which I will append the value. So while n1 n1 mod 2 is equal 0 till the time it will go. Means if it is divisible by 2, then this loop is keep on going on. So lst dot add append in this again and again. If the even number is dividing, then we are only appending 2 in that. And then n1 is equal to n1 slash slash 2. 2 times slash I have used because integer it will transfer, otherwise float it will give. Now next condition, if it is not divisible by 2, then for I in range 3 comma int math dot sqrt math.sqrt of this number n, and then uh, plus 1 and then comma 2. Now here if it is not divisible by 2, this portion will check only the divisibility by 2. If this is not divisible more than it, then it will come here. Now in this we have to check the condition again. While n1 mod i is equal 0, then lst dot append I. If it is divisible, then it will be appended in that also. Now n1 is equal to n1 slash slash I, and then after come out of this for loop and while loop, we have to take the value we have taken in append condition. Now if n1 is greater than equal to 1, then lst dot append n1. Now here just for downside this for print k print k comma equal to comma lst. Now save it and run it. I have given 10, so you can see as per your book this output is coming. For 1 1, 2 is prime, 3 is prime, then this 4 is 2 into 2 and 1 is coming also. 5 is prime, 6 2 3 1 and 8 2 2 2 it is coming, 3 3 and 5 and 2 for 10 it is coming. You can increase the number also, like if I have given 30, then you can see the number which is prime it is showing as prime, and if the number is not prime then it is calculating the factor and it is displaying here. Now this is the program. In else part, this is a complete separate program to show only the prime factor, and upside this is the program to check the prime number. Both the programs are combined, so you have to write down in copy. And now students, one more thing, this lesson flow of control is over. Now all the questions I have discussed with you, and next I will start the next topic. So complete your notes and write down these codes in your copy also. Thank you.